I have 4.8 GB of RAM cached. Today I'll show you how to clear it and help your PC run faster. Open up Chrome and search RAM map. Press enter. Select the official site. Select the download RAM map option. Once download done, select the folder icon. Right click on the RAM map and select vendor and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on this RAM map 64. Select the yes option. Select agree. Once you open this, open the task manager on the right side. Once this loads done, um, right now I have 4.8 GB cached. Select empty and select the empty standby list. And we have successfully cleared the RAM cache. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.